This is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to convert video to audio. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you've got an archive of great YouTube videos and video content, those can easily be repurposed into new products episodes, but you'll need to convert video files to audio. This can also be useful if you've happened to capture great clips on video but want to just use the sound in your podcast. Converting video to audio lets you purpose your great content and audio only platform and RSS feed. And how to do it if you want to convert your video to audio. It's so simple. So first, you can just open your browser like Chrome or Google. Now you can just search on your search bar, convert video to audio. Like this. Now you can just choose on here on the free convert. Choose files. You can choose from your device. You can choose the video that you want to convert. So here's you can just tap on convert. We can wait. Now it's done. It's done. You can just download it. So it will turn out like this. Let's hear. So here's the video, the audio. And if we want to see the video, here's the video that I just convert. Here's the video that we just convert to audio. It's so simple, right? So that is how to convert video to audio. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!